What is phase 3 process design and development in APQP? Hey there, I'm Arun Sharma. I'm founder of Submastery. Submastery is helping working professionals in getting ahead in life and career through our online courses and certification and membership. You can definitely look at www.submastery.com, submastery.com. So if you look at this, there are 5 phases in the APQP, and these are like plan and define. Phase 1, phase 2 is your product design and development, phase 3 is process design and development, phase 4 product and process validation, phase 5 is feedback, assessment and corrective action. If you look at this phase 3, which actually focus on the process design and development. So when you say process design and development, that means it's focusing on the process. Basically this will always be your organization responsibility. You cannot say that I'm not responsible for this. Your organization will always be responsible for process design and development. Basically, when it's mean that you set up the engineering, the process flow diagram, process FMEA, all that will be your organization responsibility. So what are the outcome? If you see the outcome basically of phase 2, which is product design, will basically serve as an input for phase 3. In the similar way, the output for the outcome of phase 2 will be an input for phase 3, and then outcome of phase 3 will be an input of phase 4. So that's the reason I'll be focusing on the output, and you can of course listen to other podcasts. You can see there's a series of podcasts which we have. You can search that, see that in the Spotify and Submastery podcast. You can look at that, and you can also listen to that in the YouTube. Okay, so if you look at phase 3, what will be the outcome of phase 3? So these are some of the outcome which will come in the phase 3. Number 1 is I'm not telling you in any sequence. It can be in any sequence. I'm just telling you the key outcome, key output, okay, in the form of documentation, in the form of information. That will be process flow chart. There will be a process flow chart. There will be a sequence of activities which need to be carried out, okay, and then there will be a control plan. Okay, when you say control plan, what kind of control plan? Here the pre-launch control plan will be there, right? And then you have this packing standards. You'll have this process instructions, like how to carry out certain activities, how to carry out the work, that will be there. And then there will be a measurement system analysis plan. There will be a preliminary process capability study plan. That means there will be a SPC plan, okay. And then you will have the management review. Management will look at what support is needed, right? So these are some of the outcome. Yes, you will also have this floor plan layout, where you will make sure that what is the layout of your assembly or the workstations So that will be the major focus area. In the phase 2, you will focus upon these areas. So I hope you learned something new, and if you love this, this podcast or this episode, do share with your friends. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another episode.